Nilip Sport Association wins the first Nilip Inghi Memorial Football Championship 2020. First executive meet of Mahamaya constituency BJP SC Morcha at Dokmoka. Good morning, viewers. Myself, Malin Timungpi, brings you today's news updates. Nilip Sport Association won the first Nilip Inghi Memorial Football Tournament Championship 2020 by defeating Balipathar Sport Association 4-2 in penalty shootout in the final played at the Khora Hidi Playground in Chokehula on Monday. The teams were tied at 2-2 at the end of regular time, and after both the teams failed to score in the extra time, the match headed to a penalty shootout where Nilip Sport Association managed to edge past Balipathar Sport Association. The championship, which began on December 8 in the memory of late Nilip Inghi, was organized by Nilip Sport Associations in associations with the Karbi People's Liberation Tiger. The winners took home a trophy and cash prize of Rs 30,000, and the runners-up took home a trophy and cash prize of Rs 20,000. Nilip MSC Pubitra Rongpi, KPLT Chairman, Ran Rongpi, General Secretary, Lutichari Kangtangbe, fathers of late Nilip Inghi Pangti Hanse, NSF President Vincent Ronghang, Nilip KSS President Suresh Tiso, People's activists Boson Rongpar, SGBs and GBs of the nearby villages attended the final match. This is Nilekte from Hanjang Lamsu for 365 News, India.
Inghi Memorial Football Championship in yang dungi tilo kicing lagi December 8 pan sicing lo ha kicing pen pin yang dungi tian tame misen pen pichun long pot nilibarat apanda kiru pilo pen nilibarat naga chitu na ben si nilito so football pinian ang dungi ti anda ke pachun long patame nilibarat pada kiru pilo la pen para meja semet nili selang dokar birat pan Dia tum song hui pen kacuning ri mari kapachini kangtung al pahlo JC sport tame isya kachesong lage texer lo lepatang de tum state long mari international long de don lo patai lage tum isya khai phananong me lasi sport ana thu pen ni tum kamata tam si okor hemprek ke hang chot le ro maka song nai la pakali aposi sport pen tame itu muni phaning parung nei pen anu si ang songe pale nei pansini tum bori panlo pen pinang dung patilong pe belo pasini tum beru pilo la perapi ni tum non sarkar pen singki bom non prabjin pen ni tum korche phan Karbinglong autonomous council Karbinglong autonomous council team patum ni tum phanang chiram siturulo si prabjin pen tum korche phan non BTR atum kache tok sono taksi Karbinglong me prabjin pen BTR si tokpo Posinon Karbinglong Songja Karbinglong Tomasir Konsira Songjapo CM Tulemrong Hang Lapen MP Horan Singh Be Alang Tuma Chiram Situnun Pen Joksi Non Tum Sidoklang Po Posit Tuma Ninchi Thelo Pen Alang Tum Aprang Kahiman Tangamang Si Nitum Apana Non Napachun Bitun Po Posi Nitum Ninchi Thelo Si Nitum Hin Pen Ke Lansi Ningi Chalo Kadam
The Bharatiya Janata Party SC Morcha of Mahamaya MSC constituency held its first executive meeting at Dongmokak BJP office on Monday. SC Morcha President Dul Barua presided over the meeting. Mahamaya Mandal President Purnointi, ex-ST Morcha President Longsing Tokbi, and several party leaders and workers attended the meeting. The meeting was called by the SC Morcha to discuss its strategies on how to gain maximum votes for Mahamaya MSC constituency for the BJP in the forthcoming Assam Assembly election. Anand Bay from Uthungaji for 365 News, India.
নমস্কাৰ জনাই আমি অসমীয়া মণ্ডল SC মৰ্চাৰ আজি প্ৰথম এক্সিকিউটিভ আমি চলি আছোঁ আমি সিদ্ধান্তবিলাক কি ল'ম কেনেকৈ ল'ম আমি মিটিঙৰ পিছতে পাৰিম সবিশেষ আমি গতিকে আমি
Adieu viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.